Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey. Today we are going to be getting ready for Comic-Con, which is about a week and a half away. We have an artist alley booth, so I'm really excited about that. We're going to be vending all that fun stuff, and I am hoping that my Bow Grace order comes in time, so fingers crossed on that. In the meantime, my focus is on finishing every one of these pieces. I have a bunch of Totoros and a bunch of different poison jar necklaces that I really need to finish. Got the mushroom caps on. That's a mushroom that's drying so it stays stiff. And I got tiny Totoros down. They're so cute. I have a full assembly line going on here. So we have the pieces where I'm still forming the clay, the ones where the clay has dried, the ones where I'm able to paint, and the ones where the paint's already dried and I get to seal in UV resin. So it's definitely a cycle that never ends. That being said, I am incredibly thankful that I get to call this my career, and I love watching it come to fruition. Oh, sure, gotta have this one. Lizard or dragon? I now have an army of Totoro, and they're going to be joining those ones. The army of Totoros. Amidst my Totoro journey, we received all of these flowers, so the entire house is like the secret garden. Once we got all of the flowers color coordinated and put away, I was able to pull out and start prepping to get all my vendor stuff packed and ready. For Comic-Con and trying to keep up with the pace of people, I decided to put each piece in an individual box, that way it's ready to go. And bouncing over to my cosplays, both of them are almost complete. Speaking of completion, here are a bunch of necklaces that are ready to go. All of the Totoro are con ready, as well as my octopus jars. I am very excited for the contents inside of this box. Can you guess what is in here? It is our very first company banner, and oh my god, just look how cute this turned out. Getting everything ready for Comic-Con. It's gonna be a lot of stuff, and starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this in my car and continue prepping for Comic-Con. And my booth. Day of the Comic-Con, found my table, and then I went back to the car and get it to the loading spot. All in all, it took me about 4 hauls to get everything from my car and upstairs to my booth. I also think it took me about 2 hours to get everything set up the way I wanted it, and even then, throughout Comic-Con, as things were selling, I was always readjusting the table. This is my very first artist alley, so it's going to take a few trials and errors. And my very first item to sell would be this beautiful little guy. It's my coyote skull. Hi there. Comic-Con is officially started. It is Friday, and I'm excited to get this week on the road. Let me show you what the booth looks like. I've rearranged it a few times. Those were up there, but I put them down so that I can put something on top and I have more room. Con just started and there's already a huge crowd. I'm going to struggle a little bit, but do my best. Hi! it is the end of Friday night, the first day at Comic-Con, and I am over the moon. It was everything I was hoping it would be. Like, seriously, I've already made back my vendor fee plus some, so I'm well on my way to paying off some bills, which is always the best. But it's just really fun. I love being able to nerd out that hard and have other people nerd out with me. Like, I don't get that very often anymore because I'm a hikikomori, basically. I never leave my fucking room. But it was nice. I am overstimulated and overwhelmed, but also just very excited and happy, and I have not smiled this much in a while. My cheeks actually kind of hurt, but it's what we call the golden problem. So I am going to eat some chicken and rice soup and get ready for bed. That way I can do it all over tomorrow. I'm going to wake up early and get my poison ivy costume on. I have to be there. They say that they open the doors for vendors at 8:30, but that the convention center might not open it until a couple minutes afterwards. So I'm just gonna show up at like 8:45 tomorrow because I don't want to have to wait outside in the cold. I live in a very cold desert. I'm also losing my voice because I've been talking so much. I normally don't talk this much and have this much human interaction, but it was fantastic. I am so happy, and I can't wait to wear my cosplays. Alright, well, I'm going to try and wind down, take my medicine, eat my food, get ready for bed, put on my jammies, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi there, it is the end of day 2 of Comic-Con. I had an awesome day. I still have my poison ivy makeup on, but I have to paint this because I'm supposed to be a mushroom tomorrow. So I really need to finish this, as well as finish the sleeves and stuff. I don't think I'm going to put as much detail as I was originally planning. Excuse me, because it's already 8:30 at night and I don't want to have to stay up all night because I have to be back there already. So I've only got 12 hours, so bye. As you saw in the video, I have 2 cosplay videos that are coming up right after this. There will also be a wrap-up video on my opinion and thoughts on how Comic-Con went. So if you have any questions that you would like answered, go ahead and drop them in the comments below, and I will make sure to answer them in our next video. As for now, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again later. Bye!